Go.
Nucleotides are vital. It takes 6.5 billion nucleotides to make just one copy of your DNA in just one cell in your body. But nucleotides also make up RNA, an even more abundant biomolecule that's essential for the synthesis of our proteins. Certain nucleotides have other specialised functions, such as roles in energy transfer, enzyme activity, and even blood flow. Nucleotides are big business. Certain nucleotides have another surprising property. They've been used as flavour enhancers in pre-prepared savoury foods for decades. And after finding that human breast milk is rich in nucleotides, companies that produce infant formula have begun supplementing their products with nucleotides to support babies and infants during their development. Nucleotides are in short supply in animals and humans. There's now a significant body of research that states that animals and humans don't get enough nucleotides, which has been shown to profoundly affect the most rapidly dividing cells, such as those of the immune system and the gastrointestinal tract. This has sparked the emergence of the nucleotide supplement market for livestock, which has been shown to result in better quality meats as the animal's metabolism is directed towards muscle growth as opposed to fat storage when nucleotides are in abundance. These promising findings have sparked the more recent emergence of the nucleotide dietary supplement market for humans. The modern human diet has become more and more deficient in the most nucleotide-rich foods such as liver, kidney and tripe. And research has shown that dietary supplementation with purified nucleotides has a multitude of benefits, particularly for individuals with gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome or elite athletes who find themselves in a near constant state of body repair. Nucleotides are primarily produced in China. This now global nucleotide market relies very heavily on producers in the East. The quality of these nucleotides have been called into question, so a brand new Western production hub could potentially transform the current nucleotide market as we know it. Coincidentally, a significant waste stream that is produced at a UK facility has been found to be rich in nucleotides, and this is where I come in. My task throughout this one-year project is to determine the exact composition of this waste and devise and refine an extraction procedure to isolate pure nucleotides from it. Thankfully, a laboratory procedure already exists for the extraction of DNA and RNA from biological material, but this method will need significant adaptation for such a novel industrial-scale application. Every parameter will have to be closely investigated to determine its effect on nucleotide yield. But if successful, this product could lead to a brand new high-quality nucleotide source right here in the UK, while making use of tens of thousands of litres of waste that currently undergoes a costly and time-consuming treatment process, and provide for an ever-expanding nucleotide market to the benefit of millions around the world. Thank you.